I should have mentioned this before, but the last tab is called the shared history, and this you can just basically quickly show your previous shares, and you can see quickly how many times they were accessed, etc., like that. So it's a nice feature to be able to, share different flight information with other people. You also get that here in this drop-down. The final thing, actually, if you do select this one, it's a little bit different of a presentation, so you can actually see a little bit more detailed information about who viewed the link that you sent or created, things like that. So the final thing I want to show is the processing step. So to actually process your own data, what you want to do is go to Google Drive. So that's just basically drive.google.com. You will need a Google account. I would recommend basically creating your new folder somewhere. For example, I have this one here called Skyview, and essentially just upload all your user data files into this folder. You can actually use Google Drive's client, and it'll automatically do that for you. The one step you do have to do is you have to share this with the FlightPlots site. So once you have the folder created, you do a share, and you want to go back. It's actually listed under the FAQ. Let's go there really quickly. How do I view my own data? So here's an email address. You want to copy this into, let me do this again. So select the folder up here, click share. Share with who? I am going to copy that email address from the FAQ. This is important, I believe, as well. You have to uncheck the notified people one. Once you do that, you select OK, OK, and everything's set. Now copy the address to your shared folder, go back to FlightPlots, and paste your URL here. And I would also recommend just remembering this and check mark the remember checkbox. And that way you don't have to enter in the URL every time. And so now you should be all squared away. So next time you come in, it'll automatically show your shared drive, and any new file should be shown here, and the status should be blank for any new files. And then you can then run through this process step, and I'll show you a demonstration of that. You select process, and then it will do the same thing. I've already processed this one, but it'll basically show you that how many flights were processed. After you process your own flights, you go back to view flights, and your flight should be listed and displayed here. And then you can do all the toggling, etc., and playing around here as well. Alright, thank you.